Hey everyone! Did you know you can save your Facebook stories permanently on your profile so they never disappear after 24 hours? It's called Story Highlights, and I'll show you exactly how to set it up right now. Let's go. The fastest way: open the Facebook app and tap Your Story. Once your story is open, tap the highlight icon at the top right corner. You can create a new highlight or add it to an existing one. Give it a title, choose a cover photo, and tap Done. Your highlight is now live on your profile permanently. If your story already expired, no problem. Go to your profile and tap the three-dot icon next to Edit Profile. Then select Archive and tap Story Archive at the top. Choose the story you want, tap Highlight, create a new highlight, add a name and cover photo, and tap Done. Your old stories are saved just like that. If highlights are not showing up, here's a quick fix. Tap the three-dot icon on your profile, go to Story Archive, and turn on the Archive option. Once it's enabled, the highlight feature will work perfectly. Just remember, highlights are visible to anyone who visits your profile, and you can only create them on the mobile app, not on desktop. And that's it. Simple and fast. Your best stories stay on your profile forever. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.